Meanwhile, Malacanang hopes the record high performance of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index will be sustained. I don't know with the details.
President Aquino has expected the Philippine Stock Exchange Index to break the 6,000 level. During the 20th anniversary of the Philippine Stock Exchange last December 3, he knew it was soon to happen.
In 2011, the Philippine Stock Exchange ranked as the top-performing broad equity market index among the 55 members of the World Federation of Exchanges. The way things are going now, there is no reason to believe, or not to believe rather, that the stock exchange will continue to perform well and that we will be able to realize our dream as promised by Eusebio Tanco of breaking the 6,000 index perhaps in the next 28 days. It goes without saying that if it comes earlier, I will be more thankful. We are already on the right path, protecting the gains we have made even as we are creating opportunities for advancement.
The stock market closed at 6,044 points, up 1.23%. It is the fourth time the stock market index set a new record high in less than 2 weeks of trading in 2013.
Kinagagalak natin yan ng lubos at ito ay tanda na talagang sumisigla pa ang ating kabuhayan, tumataas ang level ng kumpiyansa sa ating ekonomiya. Pero meron pa tayong layunin, yung mata mo, huwag nating investment grade rating. Yung stock market index ay isa lamang sa mga factors na tinitignan ng international financial community hinggil dyan. No? Kaya dapat ay magpatuloy pa yung pagpapalakas ng ating ekonomiya, magpatuloy pa yung fiscal discipline, no? Yung pangangalap ng mas maraming revenues at maayos na paggastos ng ating pambansang pananalapi upang matamo natin yung investment grade at mapanatili, masustain yung mataas na kumpiyansa sa ating stock market at sa ating ekonomiya.
It becomes the 65th all-time high record of the Aquino administration. The Philippine Stock Exchange is one of the best-performing stock markets in the world in 2012. It was able to hit 38 record highs in last year's stock market index. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.